Welcome to Court Helicopter News. This is an episode that is dealing with the family law, the question of dowry. Over the weekend, I took my senior client, Pastor Ezekiel, to pay dowry in Ukambani. That question again arose in the Betty Bayo children. Dowry was paid, and a certain goat or some goats were paid for the purpose of acquiring those children. What does the law of Marriage Act provide for dowry? Those watching, are you married? Has dowry been paid to you? Have you paid dowry yourself? What happens with that question when you divorce? That is the question that was before Justice Kizito Magare, sitting in Kisii High Court. And the question was, a divorce was granted in a magistrate's court, and the magistrate ordered the wife who was divorced to refund the dowry. Can you refund yourself dowry? Are the cows still alive or they are dead? You were given by M-Pesa. You've done it the way you've used that money. That dowry was paid 30 years ago. Is it still there? Are the courts being unfair to order that dowry must be returned? This is the question Wakili Danstan Omari is saying. The decision of Justice Magare has been supported by very many judges. Justice Odunga, Justice Ngaah, and very many other courts have said that once divorce emanates and concludes, two things must be returned. One, that marriage certificate that you got from the AG's office, that marriage certificate that you got from the Kadhi, that marriage certificate that you got from the pastor, that marriage certificate that you got from the Attorney General's chamber must be returned for it to be cancelled. That is the position of the law. Two, the dowry that was paid must also be returned. Who will return it? The lady who has been divorced. If not the lady, the father, the people who received that dowry, under a suit called to indemnify the person who gave that dowry. That is an earthquake from Court Helicopter. If you ate dowry, know that it will be returned. If you still have it, keep it, because it will be returned. And very interesting, dowry in African cultures is not only in terms of goats, like Pastor Ezekiel gave in Ukambani. It is not in terms of cows that we give in Luo Nyanza or in Kisii. It is not in terms of honey only, as in Meru. It is also in terms of a walking stick. It is also in terms of buying mzee a coat and a suit. It is also buying the mother a kitenge. All those are dowry. Keep them safe. You will have to return them. What a controversial decision. Are the courts going to expand that even the food that somebody provided for the people to eat during ratio should be returned? A very controversial decision by the courts. But anyway, that is the law. Keep watching Court Helicopter. In the next episode, we then deal with the question of maintenance or alimony. What have the courts said? Loud and clear. Keep watching. Wakili Danstan Omari from Court Helicopter Explainer. Thank you.